Your money sitting is trash, so you might as well put it to work. Let's get into it.
This is for educational purposes only. I'm not a financial advisor. Crypto is risky. Do your own research.
Welcome back, everyone. This is Ashbourne. Your idle cash is worth more. And for me, I've always been a big believer if your cash is sitting idle, it is trash. It is not working for you. So you need to put that money to work. And that's what Ashbourne is all about. They're your wealth management tool. So let's actually get deep into what Ashbourne is all about. Even the European Business Review wrote an article about their new launch of their bonus program. And the World Financial Review also wrote an article saying that their enhanced security protocols really protect investors for the long haul, protecting their wealth. So you can see why Ashbourne is a good choice for wealth management. So it's really easy to actually sign up. So if we go to login and then sign up, you can see it says welcome back, log in, sign in, or sign up. Unfortunately, my country doesn't allow for me to sign up. Silly regulations, but luckily for me, I already have an account. So I'm going to log in and show you guys what it's all about. So I have my account here. I'm going to go ahead and log in. And as you can see, it takes me to my dashboard. I can choose to deposit my account. I can do all my transactions. I can withdraw. I can do internal transfers and KYC. So a lot of great insight. They do have a trading room. As you can see, all of the trading where I can do all of my crypto trading, buy, sell, take profit, all the things I would want. There is leverage trading up to 1-to-1 at this moment, but really easy to use. You can add your investment, buy, sell. There is all sorts of other things like crypto assets, all the different crypto assets that you can trade. As far as insights, they have a great tool on insighting on what the crypto projects are doing, what the market sentiment is, what the rewards are, all sorts of Bitcoin information, their wealth management hub, personal finance, unwavering assurance, comfort and ease, all sorts of great little tidbits of information. And then their market overview, which I find to be phenomenal. They have all of the current kind of prices for Bitcoin, for Sol, Solana, DOT, Doge, all of the prices, what the technical analysis currently has, if it's bullish, if it's sell, if you should buy, what the people are saying, if it's a good buy for ETH, if it's a good buy for Solana, and you can choose what the sentiment is. Very cool stuff. As you can see, they have Solana here, all of the different ticker symbols. So a great amount of tools at your disposal. So very neat that they have all this for your benefit. There is just so much that Ashbourne has. I mean, between their great tools, their PR, and just everyone that's talking about them, the European Business Review, the World Financial Review, their market overview, their trading room, crypto assets. I mean, it is all here. Why wouldn't you want that? I mean, that's why you should be putting your cash to work. And if we just look at all of the different functions they have, advanced data protection, which we talked about with the review, consolidating trading portfolio, which we talked about, privacy protection, triple layer asset protection, and all of the different blogs of why you should choose them. What's so great about their consolidated trading portfolio, public trading, blockchain data, all the different crypto exchanges and crypto tokens that you can trade, and just that you are being, I guess, they're being transparent that they are with the Swiss banks. So pretty exciting stuff. Definitely something you guys should definitely check out. It is really this easy. You register, you deposit, and you trade. That's it. Definitely check out, see if it is open in your area. I had to use a VPN to create my account, but definitely do your research. And I just used a free VPN that Chrome has. So it was very easy to do. I just downloaded a Chrome extension for a VPN, set my location from outside my location because my area is restricted for whatever reason. I guess they just don't want people to make wealth decisions. I guess they just hate money for Americans. I guess I don't know. Anyways, definitely check them out. Do your own research. They do have a lot going on, and you might actually turn your idle cash into something more. Until next time, guys, remember to like and subscribe, smash the like button, ring that notification bell, and I'll see you on the next one.